So as we have already discussed, there are different ways of developing geo applications in Java. The first one is implementing the listener interfaces, second one is inner class, and the third one is using the anonymous inner class. We have seen an example of this implementing the listener interfaces, that is increment applet, and using the inner class we have seen this double applet, and now we will look at this anonymous inner class by using an applet called as TripleApplet. So this is a class called as TripleApplet, public class TripleApplet extends applet. First I will run this program. So we have got our applet, and we have two components here. The first one is a label and second one is the button. So this button is called as triple button. So whenever I press this, so it is the label is multiplied by 3. That is 1 into 3 is 3 and 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, like that. But the way how this is implemented is different, that is by using the anonymous inner class. So I will close this application. So let us see how to solve this problem by using anonymous inner class. So public class TripleApplet extends applet. So please observe that here we are not writing implements action listener here, and then some of the code is same, like button triple and then LBL number, and when we have a counter, and this is the init method. This is a lifecycle method of the applet class, and counter is initialized to 1, and we have set the layout to a flow layout. Next we have created a button called as triple, and the difference is here. So in the previous example we had an inner class written within this class, and that particular inner class was implementing the action listener interface. Now this is called as an anonymous inner class. What is meant by anonymous inner class? Anonymous inner class means it is a class which is not having any name. That is why it is called as anonymous. Anonymous inner class, that means what? This is actually an inner class but which is not having any name. So let us see where is this class. So here we have written the class here, btn triple dot add action listener, and this is the code for the complete class, but there is no name. So we have written new of action listener, and action listener is an interface which is having only one method. We already know about this. So the action performed method is implemented here only. Okay, so that means all this method is implemented within an anonymous inner class. That is, anonymous inner class is not having any name. So that is the meaning. And then here in this action performed method, we are multiplying the label value by 3, and then we are setting the value of the label to the value of the counter. So the code is almost same here, and then we are creating a label here, and then we are adding these two components to the container. In this case the container is the applet class. So this is about the anonymous inner class. That's the difference. So I will run this application once again. See here we got our applet, two components. Initially the counter is initialized to 1, and then press this triple, so it is multiplied by 3. Thank you.